Hello and welcome to another episode of ViTAC University. You've bought the best kit on the market. Now let's make sure that you know how to use it. Here we go.
Let's go.
And you just walked into the kitchen and your drunk husband is laying on the ground. He has fallen. We need to take care of him because he is dumb. We've got ice packs, guys. Instant cold compress. These are single use. I'm not actually gonna pop it here because I'm pulling these out of my own kit and I want access because I am also dumb.
That's true.
That is true. One, there is very clear instructions. It's a 3-step process on the back. Inside here is a pack that's going to be popped and create a chemical reaction. So you just squeeze this, doesn't take much pressure. It's going to pop, that liquid is going to mix with the crystals inside, and then you're gonna shake it. You will feel it get cold quickly in your hand. Then you simply apply it to whatever application you need it to be. If you want to combine this with some of the other stuff in the kit, if you feel that it needs to be on there for a while, or you're on the trail and you want to maintain that compress while you're moving, then you can use your conforming gauze, you can use your co-band, your ace wrap, any of the other bandages that you have are gonna go ahead and hold that in place. What is your opinion on this in terms of applying directly to the skin?
You can. It really depends on obviously the situation. If you do have a thin piece of material, I like that personally as a thin piece of material underneath. Even just something as simple as like a napkin or a paper towel or something like that.
Some people can be more sensitive to that cold on their skin. You could even take the conforming gauze or something like that, because it's thin. You want the cold to get through. You don't want to create a barrier there. You just want to create a barrier between the actual cold and the skin. Do a little wrap with the conforming gauze or the co-band, put this on, and then use that same material so you're not wasting material because you've already opened it.
Keep wrapping it.
And keep wrapping it. That's it.
Yeah.
Cool. See you on the next one.